Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to install multiple operating systems using a single pen drive, like Windows, Kali Linux, and Ubuntu, using a tool called Ventoy. This method is very easy, fast, and professional. So make sure to watch the video till the end. First, open your Chrome browser. Search for Ventoy. Click on the first website. Go to the download section. Select Windows zip version and click download. Now search for Kali Linux. Open the official website. Click on Download. Select Recommended. Then click Download to get the ISO file. Search for Ubuntu. Open the official website. Click on Download Ubuntu. Then click Download Ubuntu Desktop to download the ISO file. Search for Windows 11 download. Scroll down. Select Windows 11 disk image ISO. Choose language. Click Download. After downloading all files, insert your pen drive into the computer. Extract the Ventoy zip file. Open the extracted folder. Run Ventoy to disk application. Make sure your pen drive is detected correctly. Now check the partition style. If your system uses GPT, select GPT. If your system uses MBR, keep MBR. My system uses GPT, so I select GPT. Now click on Install. Warning, all data on the pen drive will be deleted, so take backup first. After installation, you will see a new partition created on the pen drive. Now copy and paste all ISO files, Windows, Kali Linux, Ubuntu into the pen drive. Restart your PC. Press your boot menu key continuously. My key is F12, yours may be F2, F9, F10 or delete. From the boot menu, select USB flash drive. Now the Ventoy interface will appear. You will see all ISO files. Select any OS, for example Windows 11 right arrow. Click Boot in normal mode right arrow. Windows setup will start. This way, you can install any operating system using one single pen drive. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to Technical Solution, and comment which OS tutorial you want next.